With all the bad press about our industry these days, wouldn't it be nice to hear some good news? The purpose of this presentation is to introduce Clean as new and explain how our services can help our refining and petrochemical customers achieve their sustainability and economic objectives. Over the last decade, the industry has faced increasing challenges to its survival, driven by reducing demand for fuels, price volatility, and a global focus on sustainability. In the face of these unprecedented challenges, according to Solomon Associates, the top quartile refineries and petrochemical plants are investing in the right technologies and focusing on reliability, regular maintenance, energy efficiency, and continuous improvement. The data shows that these plants spend 50% more on routine maintenance, taking the strain off of turnarounds, and as a result, are 40% more reliable, 20% more energy efficient, have 8% higher throughput, and are twice as profitable. Inexpensive feedstocks are a core part of margin strategy, representing 80% of site costs. With these feedstocks come significant processing challenges caused by heat exchanger fouling. The fouling of heat exchangers reduces plant efficiency, and one of the biggest maintenance challenges the industry faces is removing this fouling and restoring plant performance. Unfortunately, today's cleaning methods seldom return heat exchangers back to service above 80% of the design spec. That's the problem that Clean as new solves. Our approach to cleaning allows return to service performance of over 95%. So how important is this? Better cleaning improves heat transfer, which in turn reduces fuel consumption, and best of all, it lowers greenhouse gas emissions. But that's just part of it. Better heat transfer also improves plant performance, lengthens maintenance intervals, reduces energy cost, and increases production, all of which leads to higher profits. Overnight, a simple change to how heat exchangers are cleaned will help our clients address the market pressures, meet their ESG commitments, and improve their bottom line. For the past few years, we've been developing a simple model to understand the value that cleaning heat exchangers back to 100% of design performance would have on the U.S. refining market. Based on 135 refineries, our model calculates that the impact would be a $6.6 billion bottom line improvement, a 22 million ton greenhouse gas reduction, and a 3 billion gallon water savings, all on an annual basis. Despite numerous testimonials, case studies, and even a few refereed papers, people are understandably skeptical when they first hear these results. To validate our model and remove skepticism, together with our clients, we have participated in numerous measured cleaning trials, using the client's own data to prove that our model predictions are, in fact, correct. Cleaning heat exchangers to 100% design performance has broad implications with respect to helping address the industry's environmental, social, and governance commitments. At Clean as New, we check all the boxes. By cleaning heat exchangers back to a like-new condition, the industry burns less fuel, which results in lower greenhouse gas emissions. We're proud to say that we recycle 100% of our process water, using less than 3% of the water consumed today by conventional cleaning methods. From a social perspective, we care about the safety of our people. Our cleaning process eliminates the risk associated with hydroblasting, reducing liability, and making the workplace safer. Finally, by cleaning heat exchangers and many other parts to a like-new condition, we help our clients demonstrate a commitment to innovation that helps improve sustainability and their bottom line. We use a custom-built facility management system that tracks all aspects of cleaning operations. From the moment your cleaning service is quoted to the time it is delivered back to you, all aspects of the process are controlled, tracked, and recorded. The process starts with a quote, including fixed pricing and a guaranteed schedule. For those concerned with schedule, Clean as New provides access through a portal that provides real-time asset tracking through the entire process. The system enforces process, environmental, and safety protocols to ensure the safety of your equipment, the environment, and our workers. Finally, you have access to all the data we collect about the cleaning of your equipment, which can be used to better plan maintenance and outage activities in the future. It's worth spending a minute to describe Texsonic's ultrasonic cleaning technology. We've been building large-scale industrial cleaning baths for heat exchangers since 2009. Our patented technology uses specially arranged resonating rods to deliver precise, computer-controlled ultrasonic energy to our baths, which are filled with specially designed, safe, and environmentally friendly cleaning chemistries. Our unique design creates a uniform energy field within the bath, allowing the rapid cleaning of heat exchangers and parts. Normally, in fluid engineering, cavitation is something to be avoided. However, in an ultrasonic bath, strong cavitation is vitally important because it's the imploding bubbles that do all the work. The ultrasonic energy causes the formation of millions of microscopic cavitation bubbles over the surface of the fouling on a part. The growth and collapse of one of these bubbles is shown in the video loop on the right. During the collapse, a tiny jet and shockwave are formed. These microscopic forces combine to do the work of loosening or dissolving fouling, which allows us to simply rinse the loosened fouling away. This model simulation shows how better cleaning of a heat exchanger can improve performance. We'll see a real example of this later in the presentation, but for now, consider a typical heat exchanger. It begins operation at 100% of design capacity. However, as time passes, fouling starts to build up on the surfaces, reducing the operating performance. During the induction period when the exchanger is clean, the initial fouling velocity may be slow, but this will accelerate as fouling collects on the surface. In this example, we are showing that the bundle is cleaned at a regular interval. For most bundles, hydroblasting alone can never get the bundle back to 100%, so over several successive cleanings, the restart performance continues to degrade. Clean as New solves this problem. Our approach allows the bundle to be returned to service at 100% of design capacity. In this particular fouling model, because of the difference in the shapes of the two curves, a 20 to 25% improvement in return to service performance results in a 45 to 50% performance improvement over the next interval. There's another benefit that this simulation highlights. By using the same fouling level as the trigger to clean the bundle, rather than the same fixed interval, better cleaning offers the opportunity to more than double the run length, reducing maintenance costs and improving production, while still reducing overall energy consumption. We're serious about proving the value of our technology and earning your trust. To do this, we have a three-phase approach. First, we will work with you to prove that the way we clean heat exchangers will reduce your costs and improve heat transfer performance. Next, we want to prove that we can deliver these results consistently. And finally, after proving the value of our approach to cleaning, we will provide you with a long-term heat exchanger performance solution. The first phase is a set of measured trials, and in the first step, our goal is to validate using your own data that our cleaning delivers the improvements we are promising. This includes free bundle cleaning from each of your plant's crude preheat, FCC, coker and cooling water services. That's 4 bundles cleaned for free. We'll work with you to use the historical pre- and post-cleaning data to calculate the dollar value of better cleaning. How much can you save? Here's an example of the type of data generated during a trial. This is a dataset from a client's FCC slurry steam generator. These are some of the worst fouling service bundles, and heat recovery performance of these units directly impacts the operational capacity and cost of the FCC. The data shows these bundles were previously cleaned to 73 and 79% by hydroblasting. Clean as New was able to return these bundles at 97% in less than half the time normally required for hydroblasting. The calculated dollar impact of better cleaning in this case is over $700,000 per year, with an estimated greenhouse gas reduction of 9,733 tons of CO2 equivalent. There's another really important feature evident in these results, and that's the slower initial fouling velocity observed after a more thorough cleaning. The previous interval between cleanings were approximately 2 and 3.5 months. If we bend the initial fouling curve to match the post-induction behavior seen in the previous intervals, and the same cleaning performance trigger is used, we see that the interval can be extended to more than double the previous average, providing not only the runtime, energy and performance improvements, but cutting the required maintenance by half. Here are results from a 14-bundle trial with one of your competitors. The client's incremental cost over hydroblasting was approximately $50,000. This incremental cost is based only on the hydroblasting portion of the overall expense, and does not include all the other costs associated with operation of the wash pad, like cranes, water supply, wastewater management, etc. If all costs are included, then the clean as new cost is actually less than the wash pad cost. The calculated energy savings was over $1.1 million, with a greenhouse gas reduction of 20,000 tons and a water savings of over 2.8 million gallons. In this case, the benefit to cost ratio in this trial, based only on hydroblasting, was over 20:1. Step 2 of Phase 1 is to compare the cost of cleaning. Our goal is to prove that our cleaning is less expensive than cleaning on your own wash pad. We'll work with you to understand the total costs of operating the wash pad, and as a part of this step, we'll clean another couple of your bad actor heat exchangers for free. Then, with the details of a previous turnaround, we will provide you with the fixed, guaranteed, clean as new price for the same scope of work. How much could you save? We've already helped several clients answer this question, and here's an example. This data comes from a major refinery on the Gulf Coast. They provided us with a detailed list of 51 heat exchangers cleaned during a recent turnaround and a total wash pad cost for the exercise. We then provided them a guaranteed price for the same scope of work, including transportation from their site to our Baytown facility and back. The results validated our claims. The client's cost was over $2.5 million, not including the cost of water and wastewater treatment. Clean as new's cost for the same activity, including water and treatment, and with better, faster results, was less than 50% of what the refinery actually spent. In this case, we were able to show that our price, for faster cleaning with superior results, would have saved this client over $1.4 million. With a few successful measured trials completed and a good understanding of the cost savings, to help further build confidence in the technology, in our ability to provide the services, and to better understand the overall economic impacts of better cleaning, we will provide an introductory discount price period in exchange for continued data sharing about historical and current heat exchanger performance. We will continue to work with your experts to maximize the benefits of the program, while providing a cost savings to your maintenance budget. We are confident that at the end of the introductory pricing period, armed with your own data demonstrating the maintenance, operational and environmental savings, the decision to adopt our approach to cleaning will be easy. Our 14-bundle trial client is now moving to Phase 2, which includes the cleaning of 180 bundles in the annual maintenance plan. Extending the trial results, our client anticipates an energy savings of over $14 million, with a greenhouse gas reduction of 258,000 tons and a water savings of 36 million gallons. And what about all the other savings? What is the value of improved performance? Or doubling your maintenance intervals? How much can you improve throughput? Industry experts like Becht have advised us that the total value is 5 to 10 times the energy savings. Could improved benchmarks put you in the top quartile? And let's not forget the safety of our people. What is the value of eliminating the risk associated with hydroblasting on your wash pad? With the data from Phase 1 and 2 clearly demonstrating the overwhelming value of clean as new, the final phase is to form a strategic partnership that will replace your existing wash pads with dedicated clean as new facilities. This will allow you to reap the maximum benefits of our cleaning technology, and we propose to build it at no cost to you. That's right, there is no capital expense to adopt our cleaning technology for all your wash pad requirements. A dedicated facility provides guaranteed availability along with lower, fixed, and guaranteed costs. Because the facility is dedicated to your needs, you have both cost and schedule certainty and no transportation risk. You also will eliminate the risks associated with wash pad operation and reduce water use and wastewater generation by over 95%. Finally, our data-centric approach aligns well with digital transformation strategies, allowing better maintenance optimization and tighter planning. With a price and performance guaranteed contract and no capital expense to you, we will design and build a dedicated facility, sized and tailored to meet your exact requirements and budget. What we want in return is a long-term commitment for cleaning everything currently cleaned on your existing wash pads. At Clean as New, we've assembled an experienced and diversified team covering all aspects of the business, and our advisors are some of the smartest and most respected people in the industry. So why partner with Clean as New? First, the environmental benefits of better cleaning are significant. A 10 to 15% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions and a reduction in water consumption by 95% helps meet ESG commitments and goes a long ways to demonstrating good environmental stewardship. Next, with respect to operations, cleaner heat exchangers will result in better plant performance and help elevate you into the top quartile. Finally, by meeting your ESG commitments and sustainably improving your bottom line, you will help retain and attract investment. It all adds up to one thing: a competitive advantage. At Clean as New, we look forward to working with you to prove the value of our technology and the impact we can have on performance. Our goals are to improve plant efficiency, reduce costs, help the environment, and to replace the wash pad with a cleaner, faster, safer, and greener alternative. The first step to higher performance through better cleaning by Clean as New is to identify heat exchangers which are suitable for the measured trials. We will work with your engineers to select these, clean them, and complete the data analysis. For more information, contact us at tellmemore@cleanasnew.com, and thanks for your time and consideration.